I'm actually depressed. Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's been the longest time that I'm not uploading anything on YouTube. Kayaknya terakhir aku post video itu 2 tahun lalu, 2022. I did upload a video like a few months back, but I wasn't really back, I was just uploading one video, and actually there was a story behind that. Maybe we'll get to it later if I don't forget about it. Hari ini aku mau unboxing sanrio blind boxes, 3 of the big ones, 2 of the smaller ones. While I'm opening these boxes, aku bakalan cerita sedikit, like life update, where have I been for the past 2 years, because I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. I don't know, aku nggak yakin people that used to watch me are still watching me, because kalian semuanya udah kayak grew up gitu loh. Pochako Holiday Beach, my favorite one is the first 2, but I don't mind, it's all cute. Okay, let's open. I'm so excited. Aku bakalan show you guys first what's inside. Aku gak bakal lihat duluan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What is this? Wait, what? Hey, I have no idea. Huh? Oh, that's not so bad. Aku dapat yang ini. Wow! This is so cute. Tada! There are 4 little items here. I'm going to open this main thing first. Oh my god, this is so cute! The Pochako sanrio license thing. Oh my god, it's so cute! This is my first Pochako. Itu kayak Polaroid gitu loh, lucu banget. Yay! Okay, it's done. It's just like that. Next one is this rhyme flower. It's a pretty box. For this one, aku pingin banget yang little twin stars. It's so big, and then kayak ada ayunannya gitu loh. Pochako yang Lily of the Valley juga lucu banget. Right, Lazo Chrome is also very cute. All of them are so cute. Aku bakalan buka dari bawah. So, where have I been? The last time I uploaded when I first joined a club in my uni, it was like performing arts club. It was so fun. Like, I met a lot of new people. I joined the BOD. So it's like the whole year 2023. And then I started a part-time job. It was almost a year. Yeah, I started November 2022 all the way to August 2023 or September 2023. I can't remember. I was busy with that. Wow. Is this? Oh, this card is so cute. I mean, the shape of it. It's another Pochako. Hey, this is huge. Let's open this. Oh my god, this is like so much bigger. I mean, it's not so much bigger, but it's bigger. Oh my god! Even though the boxes are the same size, but you see, I have 2 Pochakos now. Ini ada license-nya juga di bawah. Pochako kayak nasi campur gitu jadinya. Daun pisang, we got this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Since this is the last big size one, mari kita buka yang kecil-kecil dulu. I kind of want to get Bats Maru, but I don't think so, because actually aku udah pernah buka yang ini. No, udah pernah buka. My brother opened it first to see what is inside. I was not sure if it was Melody actually. Camera ran out of battery just now. So yeah, there's a bit of like changes in the frame. Let's not what this. Aku dapat my Melody. I'm gonna open this now. It's so small, it's so little. This thing nggak bisa dicabut dari melodinya. Ternyata ya itu special edition Hello Kitty 45th anniversary. Like, there's nothing really special about it. Yeah, it's a Kuromi party. Ada 6 design. One more, itu yang secret, itu yang ini, yang birthday cake. I really want the one with baku here and here. Tada! I'm trying to find a card. Aku udah bisa lihat telinga Kurominya. Oh! Yeah, I didn't expect to be that cute. Oh! It's the same size! Woo. Now we're gonna open the last one. Actually, I'm not that excited to open this one. I don't even know why I bought this. Kayaknya waktu itu aku cuma kayak, oh, there's a blind box. I need to get one. I really don't want this one. It's so ugly. I just don't like this tree on top. I hope I get something like here. Let's open this. By the way, I need to continue my story, right? I was working in this musical with like very, very talented people. It was really fun. It was a lot of work. That was that. And then I took a gap semester there because I was supposed to go for an exchange to Seoul. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's just a box. Okay. There's no card. I don't know why. Oh, there is. I didn't see though. Okay, it's this one. It's this. I got my least favorite. I'm actually depressed now. I'm not gonna open this because I don't really like it. Oh my god, I hate that last one. This is not too bad now because that was just so bad. I don't like it. I hate it, man. But I just hate this thing. Let me finish my story. September last year, I started working a full-time job as a in-house graphic designer. I'm working full-time while I'm studying full-time. That was wild. I wouldn't recommend. I think you should just enjoy your uni life. I know of last year, December, I had my exhibition. It was my first ever exhibition. There was a lot of stress too there, but it was fun. Ako tuh gak sabar banget buat nunjukin ke kalian my final year project. And then after my exhibition, me and my boyfriend, we started an arts collective. So we've been working on a play. It was showing in, I think it's May and June. So it was like a few months there, 6 months. Now, I guess I'm back. I'm gonna try to upload tiap minggu sekarang. Yay! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye!